Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to Iran. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are going towards e-visas. So it's now a very good option for travelers to travel because they can apply for it online without help of anyone and at any time they really want to. So in front of you, I have opened this e-visa website of Iran. Here, if you scroll down, they have given all the information. Also a link to check application, how to apply visa type, individual and travelers. And also it's available in multiple languages. So I have selected English. Based on your language, you can select other available too. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, this I will explain you. Just for now, just read this visa on arrival that it can be processed on Iranian international airports too. Okay. Now, following nationalities are excluded. Okay, because of visa waiver rules, and there are some other nationalities too. Okay. Fine. Now let's go through the process. So if you're coming for the first time, click on apply now. Okay, you will scroll down. You click on start a visa application. So you'll select what kind of visa you need. Let's say you want to go for tourist, you go tourist. Nationality, I'm putting sample. You do it as per your own case. So Indian passport holder can stay 15 days every 6 months. Okay, for tourism purpose. Type of passport, I select ordinary. Place of issue, the embassy or consulate at which you wish to either submit your documents or collect a visa. Okay. So international airport is also there. Like you can collect over there also. Or some people like they just to have peace of mind that there is not going to be any problem. You can select this also that you get your visa here also, like in India itself. So whichever you want to do, you can do and click on save and proceed. Now coming here. Now it's going to be like 4 steps. Okay. The very first thing is to select nationality, tourist, and this is selected. I'm putting sample, you submit as per your case. First name, last name. Okay. Father's name, place of birth, India, date of birth, you gotta pick. Occupation, marital status. Do it as per your own case. Photo you have to upload. Okay. Now contact information, your phone number, cell, email, postal code, residence address, phone number in Iran. So address in, so if you have done your hotel booking, definitely you can use that. Okay. Any phone number. Okay. Address, passport details you already have. Okay. You need to upload your passport copy too. Then duration. I'll just select 14 here, number of entries. If you click this, you'll be paying 50% more. Arrival date, departure date, security code. Then you'll click on save and proceed, and next it will go for billing. Of course, I'm not going to go for the billing, but you got an idea how to do this. Okay. And once it is processed, they will tell you the next steps, how to obtain this, and from there it can be taken. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.